Hello everybody. In this tutorial I will show you how to use templates on Microsoft Office Word. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Office. After that, we need to create a template that we are going to use. To do so, all you have is to go to the left menu here and click on New. Microsoft Office provides many type of templates like from business, cards, flyers, letters, and everything. In my case, I will just choose a random uh, template from the letter type. Let's just click on this one and create. Also, you can download other templates from the internet, so you are free to search for other templates, but they are all working in the same way. As you can see, whenever I click in any section or anything, it will select the whole uh, section or the add-in text. So all I have to do is just to write what I need to. For example, here my name or something, uh, company name, and the templates is already uh, prepared with the format and sizes and everything. If you want just to uh, modify this one, I have just to click and modify author name or destinator name or whatever, and still it is in the capital letter. And this applies to every section on any templates on Microsoft Office Word. As you can see, it didn't select the whole section. It just selected these text because those are the add-ins text. They have selected precisely a text, and you can just type whatever you want and it will be edited. So this is how you use templates on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.